चला येता होता पहिले. Shot. Yeah. Out. Shot. Yes.
Dribble. Stand up.
Lagi na mo. Yeah.
Medal recipients, Alo Guedes and Yolanda Mater. Let's hear it once again for the champions, Team Switzerland. Let's hear it once again for the champions, Team Austria.
Anyhow, good evening, friends. I'll take you 5 minutes only. Volleyball Beach World Pro Tour, which is Goa Challengers 2023, which is organized at this Varka Beach. Along with me here, there is an organizing chairman, Mr. G. Tarolkar, Mr. Ravikant Reddy, Arjuna Awadi, Mr. Martin, especially our MLA, Benji Biegasia, our ex-Chief Minister and ex-MLA, Edwin Churchill, rest all the Arjuna Awadi and all the Dronacharya Awadi who are here, especially all the sports persons and my dear friends. It gives me the immense pleasure to be back again amongst you for all this beautiful Varka beach. First of all, I congratulating for the Varka Village Panchayat and all the people of Varka for giving the big support and huge support for this volleyball tournament. And once again, I'll say this is a great initiative of the JIT, and with the support of our MLA, Venzi, this is possible. Unless and until it is not possible, that's why congratulations for the Venzi also. I know that there is an World Federation, they are having the protocol, that's why they are not called the Venzi. But anyhow, he has taken the many efforts to organize this year. Once again, congratulations for the organizing team. The sports are no doubt, it is the biggest ambassadors of our global brotherhood and unity. And the sports also develops and promotes the spirit of healthy lifestyle, fitness, thereby contributing to the very happy, healthy and conscious society. Apart from this, another important aspect associated with the organizing such sports event, and that is lead to the creation of some great quality of the sporting infrastructure also. I think Varka is one of the best beach to organize this type of activity. So I'll once again congratulations for all the Varka people for keeping this beach clean and neat. So henceforth also such type of activity wants to organize here. The government is ready to support in future also. So I'll ask the Volleyball Federation, you can organize the national and international this type of volleyball tournament in the state of Goa. We are ready for that purpose, and whatever the support required from the government, definitely will support for this type of activity. Apart from the players, there are the growing number of the sports enthusiasts who travels from the various part of the world to witness the sporting spectacles like this, which is hosted in the Goa. So thereby the sporting tourism is a new dimension at this which is got added, and being the Chief Minister of the Goa, which is the best tourism destination, I assure you that Goa is set to make the most of the such opportunities in future. Hosting this is a prestigious national games and giving our state the opportunity to create the sporting infrastructure as well as there is an allied infrastructure. In this World Beach Volleyball Goa Challenge 2, we have hosted at some conference nationwide the sporting disciplines in Goa and got the recognitions for globally. So thanks for the organizers. So we got the opportunity so that with the worldwide, the Goa has once again popularized as the sports tourism because of this event. I once again congratulations to Mr. Jeet Aronkar and entire team of who is organizing for this beach volleyball tournaments. So especially my thanks for all the players, those who have traveled from the different countries, and congratulations for all the trophy winners, those who are for the boys side and girls side also, congratulations for them. So once again, I am welcoming to all of you, and my special congratulations for your local MLA, one who had given the good support for this event. In future also, all of your support is required for this type of activity to organize on the beaches. In future, we can think of to organize the beach football also and other types of the tournament on the beaches, so that we can highlight our sun, sand, sea, and add to that which is a sports tourism. Once again, I'll say thank you, one and all.